EMC 211 Activity 4. Lights and color theory in 3D environments. Method for shading and lighting are crucial in achieving realistic textures and shadows. These, technique, these techniques enhance visual fidelity by accurately simulating how lights interact with surfaces, creating depth and realism in digital environments. Color schemes, monologous, complementary, analogous, triadic, split, complementary, te- tetradic. Light and color theory. Light, natural and artificial. Light in 3D environment is categorized into natural sun and moon, and artificial lamps and LEDs. Natural light originates from celestial bodies, while artificial light is man-made lamps and LEDs. Both types are foundational in creating realistic and atmospheric settings within 3D spaces. Lights and color theory. Color wheel, color harmony, and color models. Color in 3D environments it, it utilizes electromagnetic radiation with varied wavelength and frequencies. Crucial for texture, depth, and atmosphere, the color wheel serves as a pivotal guide, elucidating relationship and harmony between different hues. Shading models. Lambert shading Lambert shading, simple flat matte appearance. Blindpong shading, specular highlights and reflection. Physical based rendering PBR, realistic textures and shadows. Lighting techniques, example of point light and spotlight usage. Ayan. Point lights, omnidirectional general illumination. Um, Spotlights, directional highlighting specific objects of areas. Ambient occlusion, simulating light scattering and blocking. Volumetric lighting, simulating light and interaction with particles and fog. That's all. Thank you.